I'm Muyinda Cyrus, School of Computing and Informatics, Bachelor's of Information Technology. I'm here to present a smart farming system that uses Internet of Things to help farmers monitor and get live readings of the temperature, humidity, soil moisture, video coverage, and everything that's happening at the farm to help them get a better yield and get good quality products. Here we get to see our temperature sensor, our LDR, our humidity sense, our temperature sensor, our LED light, our humidity sensor, and our LDR. The LDR's role is to know when it's dark and when it's light. So when there is sunlight, the LDR will speak to the LED light and it will be turned off. When it's dark or at night, the LDR sensor will speak to the LED light and it will be turned on. The humidity sensor, it's water resistant. It determines the humidity at the farm, and it will tell you and give you the humidity readings, the exact humidity readings at that exact time at the farm. But it also has a graph where you can monitor the variations in the humidity. The temperature sensor, it's a temperature sensor probe, it's water resistant. It helps us to know the temperature of the environment at the farm. If there is too much heat, there are some crops that don't grow under too much heat, you can know what to do. You get the readings on your phone and you also get a graph to show you the variations of the temperature at the farm. So this is the general setup of the machines that determine the temperature, humidity, and light at the farm. This is our soil moisture sensor. The soil moisture sensor's role is to determine how much water is in the soil. If there is enough water in the soil, it will turn off the pump automatically. So we are assuming this is our dry soil, and we are assuming where the water is coming from is our wet soil. So we put the soil moisture sensor into the water, and as you can see, the water is still pouring right now. But once it senses there is enough water in the soil, it will turn itself off automatically. It takes a time to read, then it will turn off the pump automatically as the pump is turned off. So after, if we put it back in the dry soil now, it will turn that the pump will know that now there is no water in the soil, and it will turn itself on automatically without you having to control it. So that's how it works. But just in case the soil moisture sensor has a problem, you can still control the water pump using the application or on your phone. You can turn on and off the water pump from the application on your phone. You turn it off, you turn it on. You turn it off, you turn it on from the application on your farm. This soil moisture sensor will be put at the key spots at the farm. It is not just one. We can attach other moisture sensors to the sensitive areas at the farm where you want to determine exactly which amount of water goes into the soil. The project also has a camera to give us live video coverage of what exactly is happening at the farm. The camera can be controlled. It's a 360 camera. It can be controlled. You can move it up and down, as you're seeing. Then you can also move it 360. You can move the camera 360 to view exactly what is happening at the farm. The camera has a night vision. It also has a sound reader. It also has a microphone. If you want to speak to people at the farm at that exact time, there is a button on the application where you can call the people at the farm, and the sound will go through and you'll be able to speak to them or call them. The camera is also attached to a sensor that helps you to make an alarm in case there is motion, or especially at night. The camera will trigger an alert and it will sound in case you wanted to alert the people maybe at the farm or people nearby or the workers at the farm that something wrong is happening at my farm. So you turn on the alarm and the sound will go through, and the people will know that it will take immediate course of action. They will take immediate course of actions. They will either call the police or know what to do in case something wrong happens at the farm. So that's our camera. It's attached to the same dashboard with the temperature and the temperature sensor, the pump, and all other sensors at the farm. It's all in one frame.